Morning gentlemen, today I am going to give some information about the depreciation of Indian rupee. The depreciation of the currency is the fall in the value of currency in the foreign exchange rate system. And since US dollar is considered as a reserve currency, rupee depreciation means the fall in the value of rupee with respect to US dollar. It also means that the Indian rupee has now become weaker than it was earlier. To clarify the statement, let us take an example. In the year 1947, 1 US dollar was equals to 3.3 Indian rupees. Whereas in the year 2022, we notices that 1 US dollar has reached 82 Indian rupee, which shows that in order to purchase US dollar, we have to give more Indian rupee. Talking about the positive impact of the depreciation of Indian rupee, the depreciation of Indian rupee will increase the India's export. How? Because the foreign traders will purchase more Indian goods and services with less US dollars, as the India's currency value has already decreased. Talking about the negative impact, depreciation of Indian rupee will lead to inflation in the market, because Indian traders have to purchase foreign goods and services at a higher price as compared to earlier. And as a result, the prices of goods and services in the Indian market will increase and inflation will be seen. Reasons why there is a depreciation of Indian rupee: the reason is the international factors, which include the conflict in the Ukraine, the increase in the price of crude oil, and multiple global financial conditions. Second reason is, in any international oil trade deals, the transactions are made in US dollar, and that is the reason why there is a huge demand of US dollar and the domestic currency value is ultimately decreased. Third reason is, if a country has more import as compared to export, then there will be more inflow of US dollars and the demand of dollar will also increase, and the value of the domestic currency will ultimately decrease. What are the solutions put forward by the Indian government? First is the indigenous manufacturing. If India will increase its indigenous manufacturing, then there will be decrease in the import of foreign goods and services, and as a result, the export of Indian goods will ultimately increase. Second solution is to have currency swap agreements with different countries. India has done currency swap agreement with countries like Maldives, Sri Lanka, UAE and Japan. It will reduce the dependency on the third party, which include US dollars, and also increase the trade between different countries. And these are the solutions which India is right now adopting to decrease the depreciation of the Indian rupee. Thank you, gentlemen.